Hello and welcome to Lego Time with Raisin. Since Valentine's Day is here, we're going to check out the Valentine sets that I have in my collection. Let's go! First up is the Heart Ornament set that came out in 2023. This is the first Valentine set that I had purchased. The instruction booklet inside the box will show you how to do this bigger main build on the front, but they do let you know that you can customize it with the pieces that they give you inside of the box. The first year I built the main build, and then this year I did this one and I added a couple of extra little pieces that I like to it. And then here is what it looks like. There is quite a bit of detail, and for the flowers that they give you and the little hearts. And there's death. You can see there's some at all different levels that build up and out. This is what it looks like underneath the flowers. It's a red base all around, so you could just potentially just have a red heart if that's what you would like to do. And then this does come with it. This is part of the set. It's to let you hang it. Next up is the Hedgehog Picnic Date. This set came out in 2024. It comes with 166 pieces, and I think it is super cute. Here is the base. It is shaped like a heart. There's some flowers. There's a little mushroom with a butterfly. Here's their little picnic blanket. And here's a stump, which I find hilarious for some odd reason. And then a big mushroom in the back. And the top of it is shaped like a heart also. And here he is. I also find their little snoots to be funny as well. Here's a bouquet of flowers, which he's given her. He will fall over when he is holding the flowers. It's a little heavy. You just snap him into the benches. These rotate. There he is. Set him down. Here she is, little bow in her hair, and another funny little snoot. Little snoot. And here's her bench. Again, it rotates. And here's their picnic basket. Comes with a little chocolate bar here. And it just goes on their blanket. And we're going to drop the chocolate inside. And then the set also comes with a little ladybug, and I wanted to make it appear to be flying, so I have some of these extra pieces around my house. It's a flower and a leaf base. Snap that back there to kind of give the appearance that it's flying around. I like the box. Not perfect, mind you, but there it is on their cute little picnic date. All right, next we have the Valentine's Day box. This one just came out this start of this year in 2025. I got it as a gift with purchase when I purchased some bigger sets, and I had gotten it for free from the Lego store. It comes with 172 pieces. And here it is. This is a display base, so you can have it displayed like that, or you can just set it down how you would prefer. There are some flowers. This is the first time that I have seen this type of flower in the sets that I own, so I thought that was pretty cool. Plus, I am a huge fan of the color purple, so that was a bonus also. And here's the front of the box. Here's the little bow. This part moves to adjust the bow how you'd like it to be. And then you just snap the top off, or the lid of the box, and inside are the chocolate pieces. This one is too big to set up there, so it does have to go in here. And then you can just pick and choose how you want the other ones to fit in there after that. However you want that to be. Is that set. And then as a bonus, I do have this set. It's not a Valentine set per se, but it is heart-shaped. This set came out in 2019. It's retired. It's Olivia's Heart Box, and I got it in a bulk box from a thrift store. And just like the other one, you can take the top or the lid off. And then inside is Olivia from the Lego Friends. And there she is. Here's a little robot. She has a little chocolate also, chocolate bar. Here is the base to display the heart. And here is her tablet. And she has a little wrench because she likes to build things. And then this one has different options. You can place her on top if you want to display her like that. Or again, with a clear base like the big red heart. It'll set on there. My table's a little uneven, so I struggled there a little bit. Well, I really love those sets and love checking them out with you guys. Until next time, happy Valentine's Day.